Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another set of beautiful nails. So first thing I'm going to do is cut up that gold foil and just set it aside. Then I'm going to go in with this Spice Berry Gel Polish by D&D, and I get these at my local nail supply store. I believe I pay about $7.50 for two, which is that big gel polish, and then I get one just like it in a regular polish for $7.50. And what I'm using here to clean around the cuticle area is just a little OPI gel brush that I use, but you can really just use any little brush that you have, and then I dip it in a little dapping dish with acetone and clean around the cuticle area. So we're going to polish all her fingers with this Spice Berry, except for her pinky and her ring finger. We'll be doing the gold foil on those. Alrighty, so for the foil nails, what I'm going to do is apply a layer of my IBD gel top coat, and this is just going to basically work as a glue for our foil. So I'm picking up the foil with the brush. I did dip the brush into acetone just to kind of wet it so that foil will stick to the brush, and you don't really have to do it every time because it's already kind of sticky from touching that gel. And you just pick your foil up and just randomly place it on your nail, and we're going to do the same thing for the pinky. And I do have this foil available on my website. If you're interested, I'll leave the link in the description. So as you can see, this foil is really easy to tear apart because it's so thin. So you just want to break it up into different little sizes, and like I said, you do a layer of your top coat. You place the foil on the nail, and then we're going to cure that for about 60 seconds just to make sure that the gel underneath the foil dries all the way through as well. Alrighty, so now we are moving on to the other hand, and we're going to do the same thing. We're doing this Spice Berry Gel Polish by D&D on her 3 fingers, and then on her ring finger and her pinky we'll be doing that foil. Alrighty, so we're going to let that second hand dry, and now we're going to go back and do a second coat of this polish, and then we're also going to do a top coat over that foil, and we're going to let that cure for another 60 seconds. Alrighty, so now that that first hand is dry, I'm going to go in and buff away any little bumps that are left from the foil, because you basically want to encapsulate that foil into your nail. So if you were to leave any little like foil outside the nail, it will eventually turn green. That's why you want to make sure you go back and fill on the nail, and if you feel any little bumps, then you want to buff this away. And then we are going to do a matte top coat on the burgundy nails, and I'm doing a regular top coat on these foil nails. And I also forgot to mention that for that foil, I did use my IBD gel top coat as well. And then for these burgundy ones, I'm using my Elite 99 top coat, matte top coat, which I will be restocking on my website. Like I stated before, I'm waiting on everything to arrive. That way I can just restock everything at once. Alrighty, and same thing for the other hand. We're going to go in and buff away any little bumps. And you also want to go back and reshape it, because we're doing about 3 layers of top coat just for this look. So it kind of takes away a little bit of the shape. So you just want to go back and buff it, reshape it, and then do your top coat. And then once again, I am using my IBD gel top coat. And then for the burgundy ones, I'm using my Elite 99 matte top coat. Alrighty, so this is the final look. They turned out really pretty. They're simple, but they're gorgeous. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook at GetNail32, and stay tuned for more videos to come.